Cybersecurity leadership extends far beyond technology. Every security decision carries legal, ethical, and organizational consequences. In this presentation, I'll explain how criminal law, tort law, and digital forensics work together to protect organizations, preserve evidence, and strengthen cybersecurity leadership. Everything begins with understanding criminal law. Federal laws such as the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act establish the legal framework for prosecuting cybercrimes, including unauthorized access, computer fraud, ransomware, and attacks against critical infrastructure. These laws hold malicious actors accountable while helping protect organizations and the public from evolving digital threats. While criminal law focuses on punishment, organizations must also understand civil liability. Tort law addressed the harm caused when organizations fail to exercise reasonable care in protecting information. Following a data breach, victims may pursue compensation for financial losses, privacy violations, or reputational damage. This reminds cybersecurity leaders that security failures can carry significant civil consequences. Although these legal systems serve different purposes, they often arise from the same cybersecurity incident. The key difference is who brings the legal action and the outcome that follows. Criminal cases are prosecuted by the government and may result in imprisonment, while tort cases are initiated by injured parties seeking monetary damages. Effective cybersecurity leadership requires preparing for both. Once an incident occurs, the focus shifts from prevention to investigation. Computer forensics is the process of identifying, preserving, analyzing, and presenting digital evidence. Whether investigating ransomware, insider threat, or unauthorized access, forensic investigations help determine what happened, how it occurred, and who was responsible. Collecting evidence, however, is only part of the investigation. Maintaining a proper chain of custody ensures digital evidence remains authentic, reliable, and admissible in court. Every transfer, examination, and storage activity must be documented to preserve the integrity of the investigation and support successful legal proceedings. Equally important is understanding how digital evidence is collected. Emails, system logs, social media posts, metadata, and electronic communications often become critical evidence during cyber investigations. Collecting this information legally while protecting its integrity allows investigators to establish facts, support prosecution, and defend organizational decisions. Strong investigations begin long before an incident ever occurs. Cybersecurity leaders reduce legal risk through governance, employee awareness, risk assessments, and incident response planning. Recognizing potential civil and criminal exposure early allows organizations to strengthen security controls before vulnerabilities become costly legal issues. Court decisions also continue to shape how cybersecurity professionals perform their work. Cases such as Elonis versus United States and Van Buren versus United States clarify criminal intent, authorized access, and the application of long-standing laws to modern technology. Staying informed on legal precedent enables cybersecurity professionals to make sound investigative and leadership decisions. Ultimately, technical expertise alone is no longer enough. Today's cybersecurity leader must combine legal knowledge, technical skill, and ethical decision-making to protect organizations and those they serve. Understanding criminal law, tort law, and digital forensics strengthens our ability to lead confidently through increasingly complex security challenges. That brings us to the most important takeaway. Criminal law, tort law, and digital forensics provide the legal foundation for protecting organizations, preserving evidence, and maintaining public trust. Effective cybersecurity professionals are defined first by who they are, their integrity, judgment, and commitment to protecting others. From that foundation comes the knowledge to make sound decisions and the ability to act with confidence when it matters most. That is what it means to be the one organization's trust to lead. Thank you.